This quick guide will teach you how to upload an Excel file in Databricks. Whether you're new to Databricks or looking to streamline your data uploading process, this tutorial will help you get your Excel files into the platform with ease. To get started, begin by navigating to the Databricks workspace. Once you're there, look to the sidebar menu for the option labeled Add or Upload Data. You'll find this under the Plus New section. This is your gateway to bringing in new datasets. Click on it, and you'll see several options appear. For our purposes, select Create or Modify a Table. This option is specifically designed for those who want to manage and manipulate tabular data within Databricks. Next, you need to get your Excel file ready. Make sure the file is saved on your local machine in either the XLSX or XLS format. Once you have located your file, simply drag and drop it into the designated drop zone on the Databricks interface. This process is intuitive and allows you to quickly upload your file without the need for any complicated commands or setups. Once your file is uploaded, the next step is to select an active compute resource. This is crucial because it generates a data preview, allowing you to verify that your data is in the right format before pushing it further into the system. If you're unsure about which compute resource to choose, Databricks usually provides suggestions based on your current system configurations. After selecting the compute resource, you'll need to choose your target catalog and schema. Typically, options like main and default are available, and these are often suitable for most users. However, if your organization uses specific catalogs and schemas, make sure to select those to ensure that your data is stored correctly. Now, it's time to verify your settings. This step involves ensuring that the correct worksheet within your Excel file is selected. Databricks should automatically detect headers if they exist in your file. If for some reason the headers are not correctly identified, you may need to adjust the settings accordingly. This verification step ensures that the data aligns properly in the structured table you are about to create. Finally, click on Create to save the data as a structured table in Databricks. This is the moment where all your configurations come together to form a usable dataset within the platform. Once this process is finished, you'll have your Excel data available for analysis, visualization, or further data engineering tasks. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily upload an Excel file into Databricks and begin working with your data in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try uploading a few different files to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and happy data analyzing.